din si Lea Salonga sa kanyang post ukol sa isang self-learning module na diniskrimina ang mga taong may tattoo. Okay, so there's more on this DepEd tattoo story. Thanks to a direct message sent to me. Turns out that the context of that page was such the discussion was on Philippine history and on the significance of tattoos in our culture. The correct answer was C, that tattoos were a symbol of beauty and courage. Not A, that tats are a sign of being a criminal. So, in my amateur opinion, someone out there wants to make someone else look incompetent, covering up a big part of the page and making it look like the answer key was marking the wrong letter as correct. For my part in this, allow me to apologize. I just want for our kids to get as good an education as they can get. As for the saboteur, there's a special place in hell for the likes of you. Apologize post ni Lea ukol sa nasabing learning module na kanyang ipinost rin noong November 17.
Share, subscribe.